So till now, we enable the VMX packages. So let's do all prerequisites and pre-required packages for our Ubuntu VM instance. So I'll keep both windows side by side. And where's that command? Yeah, curl. So we are here. Let me clear the screen and zoom in a little bit. And let's paste our command src cloud. Let's before that, I think unzip is not here. Yes, correct, unzip is not here. Sudo apt update, and we'll install sudo apt install -y unzip. So unzip is install. Oh, unzip. And what is our file name? src cloud. src cloud.zip. What's going on? End of central directory signature not found. Either this file is not a zip file, or it continues on one disk or multi-part archive. Cannot find zip file. Okay. So I uploaded the wrong zip file. There's some issue with the compression. I don't know, but I downloaded the correct file now. This is the source zip now. Let's unzip it. src cloud.zip, and we have unzipped everything. Let's navigate to a folder, and there's some files. Yeah, install.sh. So we'll do sudo install.sh, and the installation will take some time again. Oh, let's wait. So yeah, our packages are installed now. Let's do apt update first. Sudo apt update, and we'll install our VNC server and genome core packages, or gnome core packages. So let's wait till the update goes clear, and then sudo. I'll just copy it from here. Sudo, and I'll paste here. Yeah, our VNC server packages are installed. Let's install our GNOME core packages, and it will again take some time to download and install. So yeah, our GNOME packages are also installed. Let's reboot our host, and okay, we need to do sudo reboot. Yes, reboot is in on progress. Meanwhile, let me check if I've done port forwarding for 5901. As the VNC server will be utilizing port number 5901, we have to do port forwarding here first. Yeah, we have already added in our firewall 5901 for the input. Let's do retry. What is our IP address? Yeah, Let me open the real VNC with port number 5901. And before that, we have to start our VNC server. So authorize and establishing connection. Yeah, we have started up here. So let's start VNC server with localhost no p4SS. Password does not match. Okay. I don't want a view only access, and VNC server did not start up. Please look into dash 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 to determine the reason. And what's the reason here? Log file is there. cd VNC 2 and battle server unrecognized. Okay, rm minus rf star. Let's come back to our server again, and yeah, I added the correct command only. Let's do one more time. No, and hope it should create starting application specified using yes. Connect to VNC server. Our VNC server is started. Let's try to connect it with the real VNC application, and it is asking me for password, and yes please. Yeah, so we got our VNC to our Ubuntu server here. Let me open the terminal. And let's check cat proc CPU info rave cw vmx proc CPU info, and we can see 8 cores are here. So we have installed now our VNC server and GNOME core packages, and took up the real VNC access using the real VNC application. In next part, we'll be installing VirtualBox and Windows operating system inside our this Ubuntu VM. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video.